Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our weekly market update. This morning, I've got Hayley and Maddie with me. How are you guys?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. Another lovely sunny morning. We've had a cracking week of weather, so it's been very nice.
Weekend for footy on the weekend.
Oh, yeah. Well, this weekend, maybe not so much. We're sort of forecasting snow to 300 metres this Saturday, so it's going to be interesting for open homes and the football finals.
That'll make it interesting, though.
Yeah, so congratulations to all the Huon Valley teams that are in it. Looks like we've got lots and lots of Huon Valley teams playing on Saturday in the finals. So it's
should be three sides, Huonville versus Signet.
Yeah. Very exciting. Like a rivalry would be, trying to standing room only.
Yep.
Imagine. So,
Yep.
We've also had a Cancer Council stall for volunteering at Woolworths on Friday morning. So thank you to these guys and everyone else in the team that put some time in and volunteered.
It was good. It's one of my favourite times actually, because you get to talk to so many people and so many people that have stories and that have stories that their relatives were affected by, and some people just want to talk about it. Also, the social aspect is fun. But I sold a lot of socks. Council socks are good. I've worn them. Just wear them for footy training. But yeah, it was nice. It was nice to get around the community and just And so many people walk past and were like, "You're doing a good job. Thanks for everything you're doing." And even the people that didn't want to buy anything, they just whatever they had in their pocket, they just turned in the donation. It was really good. That just reminds me what I love about Huon Valley.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. I bet talk about some real estate stuff.
Yes.
That's what everyone's watching. But so what was happening on the weekend with open homes lately?
We had a busy weekend with open homes. There was 6 open homes, and Nick and Nikita had 9 groups through one of them, which is a great result. It's only been on the market for a week. Just over a week. So that was a great turnout. We've already got 1 offer submitted for that one, so it's obviously showing how strong it is at the moment. My open home had 2 groups through, and that's been on the market for just over 3 weeks. So still a good result, but still pretty good numbers floating around.
There seem to be a few contracts again this week.
Another busy week with contracts, especially on properties that have been on the market for quite a while. We're seeing some traction as well, which is really good to see. And we've got some new faces out and about as well, which is positive.
Yeah, that's great. And quite a few inspections. Looking at all the numbers over the last few days, there seems to have been a reasonable amount of private inspections that you guys have been quite busy with.
Yeah, definitely. It's been a nice week for it as well, though. We had nice weather, so
I think the weather's contributed.
I think so.
Just tiny weather as well.
Probably both. But everyone's comments were saying how beautiful it was on the weekend, so and throughout the week. So that was really
people
nice.
happy and wanting to spend money.
It does.
We've actually had a fair bit of interest on some of our higher end properties. It's not a huge amount of interest, but it's picked up a little bit. So we did pop a new property up, 44 Knocklofty Terrace in West Hobart. Huge property. 6:30 a week, 6:30 a week, and we've actually had a fair bit of interest. That's obviously location. Everybody wants to live in West Hobart, but that's without a car park, and the street, as we know, West Hobart is not an ideal street to park on, and we've still got pretty strong interest on it. So it's a good sign. And we've got 242 Thorpe Street that went up. That's one of our higher end properties as well. That is 3 bed, 2 bath for $550 a week. Yeah, $550 a week. Just have to double check. And 36 Blair Street for $530 a week. So if you look back through on those, that's in Lutana. Look back through on those, we've got more inquiries in the last probably week or two on those higher end properties than we have in the last probably month. So it's a good sign.
That's good. Maybe the nice word is making everyone think it's all right to move now because I'm not going to get a wet couch or a bed in amongst my living.
Yes, definitely.
At a time of year, so to get about. So.
Yes, but we do have open homes on 2 of those properties today, actually. I forgot to mention. So Knocklofty is at 2:15 today. And Blair Street is at 1 o'clock today. So
see how many people were arriving. You get a good good indication of the interest levels on that. So All right, well, I think that's about it for this week, guys. Thank you for tuning in. We will see you next week on the update.